everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac Catalina 2+2. Love this car, guys. I actually I bought this car locally. Guys had this car for 15 years. He bought it out of Seattle, Washington. 5 years ago, he did a what he called a complete body up restoration. There's less than 1,000 miles on the car since he got it done. I love this car. I've always loved big body Pontiacs. It kind of stems from my dad, who loved them. But I really like this car, man. I love the color combination. This is a factory silver car, or platinum. Original color combination with a black interior. This is also a PHS Documented, and it has the original motor in it. 421 car. Now he's added the tri-power. It's got a tri-power carb setup on it. It was originally a 4-barrel car, but great car, man. 8 lug wheels. I actually put these red lines on them. Those are brand new Diomandback radial red lines, but great car, man. Very rare car. I just am not able to buy a whole lot of Pontiacs like this. They're very hard to come by. I'll tell you funny, I actually looked at this car a year ago. He had it at a car show up in Frankenmuth, and I looked at it, and a year later, I bought it. Great car, though. Car runs and drives excellent. It's got all the original body panels on it. Like I say, the resto's about 5 years old, so there's a couple of things you can nitpick on it, but very nice. Great guy, car guy, Pontiac man. Matter of fact, he worked for PPG. It's actually got PPG paint on it. I've got some extra parts too. I can't remember when Jay comes out, I'll ask him. I think we got the original 4-barrel setup for the car. We might even have some original, some of the touch-up paint for the car. I know we got some of the receipts for the restoration. We do have the PHS documentation. And like I say, a great car. Jay, we got the original 4-barrel setup for this car, don't we? Do we have the original 4-barrel setup for this car? Ah, no, we don't. I thought he gave that to us, man. I'm sorry. But like I say, pretty car. Good, solid, straight body. Again, I love the color. It's called platinum, silver, you know, metallic is really what it is. You can see them. These are original. You can pick at them just a little bit, but doggone it, they're nice. Hard to find parts for these cars. Little touch-up mark there. Car's nice and flat down the sides. He really didn't want to sell this car either, guys. I'll tell you, the only reason he sold it is he's restoring a pickup truck. And I got Mama on the phone and ended up buying it. We do have it. Okay, I thought, see, I'm not going crazy. We got the original 4-barrel and intake. Oh, original 4-barrel intake and heads for this car. I knew I wasn't going crazy. Pretty car. But I got Mama on the phone and bought this car. So he took the money and finished his pickup truck he was restoring. Again, brand new tires. I just got those from Diamondback. It's got the 8 lugs on it. Block's original. Original 421 block. Again, he added the tri-power unit, but we do have the original 4-barrel setup that goes with it. He's got the Pontiac performance valve covers on it. Power steering, power brakes, stock exhaust manifolds. These are very cool cars, and this car runs and drives excellent, man. Goes down the road great. Yeah, it's funny how you can remember stuff like this. I look at so many cars. I probably look at 1,000 cars a year, guys. But I remembered this car. I knew this was the same car that I'd look at up in Frankenmuth. You just don't see these cars. They're tough to get. Like I say, parts are tough to come by. And this is a nice one. This is a great car. nice. Original mirror, original door handles. You can kind of pick those a little bit. Sorry guys, there's a little piney. We got pine trees on the side, man, and we're just dropping everything over there. Super cool car. Again, all original body panels. He bought the car out of Seattle 15 years ago. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Fisher body seat belts in it. I love the dash on these cars, man. They're a work of art. 79,364. When he restored it, it had 78,400 something. Love the dash on these cars. Look how nice that is. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. It's a 292 safety track rear end. Original brochure, Pontiac brochure. This is like say all your PHS for the car, and then this is all your receipts on the restoration. Car cover comes with it. Got the old poly glass spare in there. He left his stuff in here too, so the duster will go with it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Car's clean too. Jay got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Yeah, I love these cars, man. We're just joking in there. You could actually take this car camping. Just sleep in the trunk. I think the trunk sleeps 5. The dust, guys. Seats are nice. Yeah, I dig this car, man. Really like it. Dash is nice. Got some little cracks there in your steering wheel. Gauges are nice and clear though. I love the way these, I'll try to have Jay show that when you turn the temperature up, how these things turn red. Like I say, these cars are works of art, man. Jay does have to, said he's got to do something to the wipers. They do work though, but he's got to adjust them. Standard rebuild, does have the hardened valve seats, runs on pump gas. It's got the tri-power carbs tuned right in. Big old heavy hood. Love the stacked headlights. These are just cool cars, man. These cars, like I say, they're just a work of art, man. Super cool. Which way when you turn your heat up? Oh, which one you got? Roll that one for me. See that, how they turns red? I love these cars, man. Cool tail lights. The 421 sounds good. Does it work?
I don't think I'm getting anything out of it.
On the radio.
It's gonna take off.
Gauges are working. I know the blower motor works. If I remember, he might have told me he rebuilt it and then it never worked. Again, the wiper they do work, Jay. They just, yeah, you just got to adjust them. Got a bulb out on this side. We'll check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us, guys, is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that car sounds good. How can you not like that car? Have a great day, guys.